guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma to all of you. Welcome to today's session, and as you all know, this is your produce series for CBSE 9th, and today we'll be discussing about surface area and volume of a sphere. Alright, so as you all know guys, we have already completed cube and cuboid. Today we'll be completing sphere and hemisphere, and the next session will be for cylinder and cone. Alright. So this is the 3 sessions in which we have divided this chapter. So let's start with today's class. So first of all, let us discuss the homework question. So this was the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. Cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. Another cuboidal box is 25 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, and 8 centimeter high. LBH is given. Which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has small total surface area and by how much? Alright, so let's do one thing guys. Let's calculate both. So first for cuboid. First, if we calculate for the cuboid, I will say lateral surface area will be 2 times of L plus B into H. So 2 times of 12.5 plus 10 into 8. So 2 times of 12.5 plus 10 is 22.5 into 8, which is equal to 45 into 8, which is 360 centimeter square. Total surface area over here will be 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH, right? So 2 times of 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 12.5 into 8. So it will be 2 times of 125 plus 80 and plus 100, right? So what will be getting over here? 2 times of 100, 305, right? So 2 times of 305 will be equal to 610 centimeters square. Similarly, let us calculate this for the cube as well. So for cube, the lateral surface area will be 4 into side square. Side is 10. So 4 into 10 square is 400 centimeters square. So which has the greater lateral surface area? You will say, sir, cube has greater lateral surface area. Alright. And by how much? So 400 minus 360. So it is 40 centimeters square more. Then if we talk about total surface area, 6 times of 10 square. So it will be 600 centimeters square. So if you will see over here that the total surface area of cuboid is more, which is the smaller? The smaller is cube only, and how much small? 10 centimeters square small. Okay, so it was a direct question. So both the cases, देखो, lateral surface area is high for cube, less for cuboid. Total surface area is high for cuboid, less for cube. Okay, chalo. So let's move ahead guys. Let's start with our today's class. So let's go for our second session. Sphere की बात करते हैं. By the end of the class, you'll be able to solve questions of this kind. Okay, ठीक है. So first thing, sphere. As you all know, sphere is like the shape of a ball, and the important dimension, the important measurement in a sphere is radius of that sphere. All right. So, and what is a hemisphere? So if I cut a sphere from the middle, then it will give me 2 hemispheres. So this is our hemisphere. Okay, clear hai bacha? Now let's talk about the formulas. So first thing first, if I talk about the sphere, so dekho guys, you know total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus the area of top plus the area of bottom. So you can clearly see in a sphere the top is a point, and that is why I'll say area of top will be equal to 0. Similarly, bottom of a sphere is also a point only. So the area of bottom is also 0. So putting the values over here, TSA is equal to CSA plus the 0 plus bottom is also 0. So you'll get to know the total surface area and curved surface area is equal for a sphere. It is equal for a sphere. That is why we generally call it only surface area. The surface area formula for a sphere is 4 times of pi r square. Alright, I would suggest all of you to remember the formula directly. Derivation you will understand when you go to the higher grades. Okay, and then the formula for volume will be equal to 4 by 3 times of pi r cube. The formula for volume will be equal to 4 by 3 times of pi r cube. If you have understood the formulas for sphere, formulas for hemisphere we can easily find out. How we can easily find it out? Beta dekho. Total the surface area of a sphere is this. Surface area of this complete ball. And this we know is 4 pi r square. So in a hemisphere, curved surface area is this portion. So curved surface area, I will say, is half of the total surface area of the sphere. Right? If it is 4 pi r square, hemisphere has only half portion of it. So half of 4 pi r square. And that is why you got formula as 2 pi r square. Now let's talk about TSA. TSA is curved surface area plus the area of top plus the area of bottom. Here you can clearly see top over here in this hemisphere. Top is a point. So the area of top will be equal to 0. What about bottom? Bottom, base, if you will see, base is a circle. The base of a hemisphere is a circle, and that is why its area will be pi r square. So putting these values over here, TSA will be, CSA is 2 pi r square, top's area is 0, bottom is pi r square, which will give you your TSA as 3 pi r square. Alright, and then at the end comes your volume. So bit of volume is capacity. If I cut a sphere into equal parts, the volume is quite easy. If we join something, add the volume. If you subtract something, cut something out, subtract the volume. So if I divide a sphere into equal parts, volume also will be divided into equal parts. So volume will be half of the sphere of the volume of the sphere, which will be 2 by 3 times of pi r cube. Alright. So if you remember the formulas for sphere, formulas for hemisphere, comparatively easy. Very easy, right? It's quite easy over here. Okay, bacho. So these are your formulas. Sphere you need to remember. From sphere you can easily get the logic for the formulas for hemisphere. Alright, now we'll be solving some questions, beta, but before I go for those questions, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. Beta, first thing first, dekho, I'll tell you one important thing. How do you register for it? So registration करने के लिए बेटा, you can see, go to the description box of any video, and here you can see avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Click on anyone. ठीक है? Suppose I have clicked on this. Now go to the site. Okay. So once we have clicked on this, now here you will see you can change your grade. Keep your grade as grade 9, and we have kept it CBSE term 2. All right. Now after doing CBSE term 2, guys, here you can see the discount. Here you are getting, so discounted price here you can see right now you are getting 50% off during your Vedantu's EdFest. Alright, so this is the price for the whole course, and here this is the price for the whole course. Important thing is the trial amount has reduced a lot. So if you have always thought that at least let me try, this is the time to try the course. You can try for 15 days. Just click over here. Dekho, just Pro Lite is available at just rupees 600, Pro Classic at just rupees 800. The only difference between both, dekho, in live Pro Lite you get all the live classes, test series you'll get, analysis for it, assignments you'll get notes also for all the classes, doubt solving during the class with the help of class teachers you'll be getting. In Pro Classic, one extra feature which is doubt solving on mobile app. So you get access to 24/7 doubt solving app of Vedantu, where you can put your doubt and you'll get the solution for it. So how can you get that? Dekho, if you want to know something more about that feature, just click on this feature and you'll get a video explaining that feature. Alright, let me show you the notes, how the notes will look like, or how you can watch replay. So suppose this is how your profile will look like once you join your class. Its timing, who is the teacher, subject, everything will be shown over here. Now here you need to go to the past classes. So these are the classes which has already happened. So if you want to say get the notes for this class, click on get notes. Once you click on the get notes, you will be able to get the notes, and you will see over here the notes will be available in the handwriting of master teachers. Alright, dekh lo yahan pe. You are getting it in the handwriting of master teachers. Alright, and if you want to watch the replay of that class, it's pretty easy. Just click on this replay. Alright, and you'll be taken back to the replay page where you are in the classroom environment. Here you can directly watch the replay, attempt the quizzes as well. Yes, you heard me right. During watching the replay also you can attempt the quizzes. All right. So watching replay also will not be like watching a video. You can interact in the class and get to see whether your answers are correct or not. Okay, bachcho. So remember, GPE Pro is your code and you are getting 50% off up to rupees 2000. So very good course right now. You can go for the whole course. You can buy the whole package, or if you want to try, this is the time to try it. Okay, chalo. Let's move ahead, guys. First question, देखो. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Okay. So as we are pumping the air, the sphere is increasing in its size. Find the ratio of surface area of the balloon in two cases. So I'll say, sir, let me use a pen with a lighter color. Surface area in case 1 to the ratio with surface area in case 2. Surface area is 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. 4 pi got cancelled. Here r is 14 pi. So 7 square is 49 by 196, which is equal to 1:4. So the ratio for the surface area is what, beta? 1:4. You can calculate them separately and then find out the ratio. What I've done is directly found the ratio. Shortcut easily can be solved, right? Next question. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter of 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it. Okay, on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So this is a hemispherical bowl and its inner diameter is given to you as 10.5 centimeter. You have to do coating on this, tin plating coating on this. The cost is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So let's see how much surface area which will need to be say coated. So since it is a bowl, it is open from top, only the curved surface would need to be coated. So CSA we need to find out, which is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 pi is 22 by 7. R radius will be 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Here 2 to 2 got cancelled. Here 11 times 7 are 1.5 times. Then here you'll be getting what? 10.5 into 1.5 into 11. So if you will multiply over here, 15 5s are 75, 7 over here, and 1575, 15.75 it will be. Alright. Multiply it with 11. So 5. Okay, so there is going to be 173.25 centimeter square. So the cost, now see, cost what it is saying, for 100 centimeter square, the cost is rupees 16. So I'll say for 1 centimeter square, what will be the cost? The cost will be 16 upon 100. So the cost for 173.25 centimeter square will be 16 by 100 into 173.25. Multiply them, you will get your final answer. All right, so the final answer over here will be equal to 27.72. All right, directly showing it, rupees 27.72. Some calculation, so obviously it is required from our end. Calculation are there. Okay, so calculation, so you have to do, right? Okay, next question. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay. So how many liters of milk it can hold? It is a hemispherical bowl, all right, and diameter is 10.5 centimeter. They are asking you the capacity. Capacity they are asking. So I'll say sir volume nikal, right? We'll finding out the volume. Volume for a hemisphere 2 by 3 into pi into r cube. So remember it is diameter, so 10.5 by 2 whole cube. Alright, now guys, calculation though I am expecting you can do it very quickly. Acha, one more thing. Dekho, important thing over here is that this volume you'll be getting it in centimeter cube, but it is asking you in liters. So understand the conversion that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube will be equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. So whenever we have to convert centimeter cube into liters, divide by 1000. So if we divide it, it will be around 0.303. Calculation bacha party, you have to take care of it. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. Now remember guys, Vedantu Pro CBSE 9th term 2, you are getting it है ना right now. This is the price during the Ed Fest, and this is like one of the best opportunity you are getting. This is actually a very good time. Even if now you are starting a preparation, I'm telling you, you have really good chances of scoring really good marks. All right, you'll be getting revision courses, mock papers, all India mock papers. You'll get to know where you are standing. Micro courses are there. You can study a topic as many times as you want. So this is a very good opportunity. I have shown you how to register for it. Okay, next question dekhte hain beta. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at rupees 4989.60. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 20 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome, volume of the air inside the dome. So first thing first, the dome of the building is in hemisphere, right? So it is whitewashed from the inside, and the cost is rupees 20 per square centimeter. Let's say the area. By the area to be whitewashed, you can clearly see, sir, area to be whitewashed will be equal to the CSA of the hemisphere. So I can say this total cost is nothing but CSA into the rate, which is rupees 20 per square meters. So the total rate is 4989.60. CSA for a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And the first thing is find out the inside surface area. 2 pi r square, will find it out. First, let us find out CSA only. Directly do it by division. CSA into 20. So CSA will be equal to 4989. Oh, sorry. 4989.60 divided by 20. So this is going to be equal to what? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Then again we can say 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, and 0 over here. Since it is 20, so after 2 places and 1 more place. So this is going to be our CSA. CSA is 249.48 centimeters square. Now from here you need to find out the radius, because we need to find out the volume. So CSA is 2 pi r square. This is equal to 249.48. So 2 times of 22 by 7 into r square is 249.48. R square will be equal to 249.48 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are, and 2 4s are 124.74. And if we do it by 2 one more time, this will come 11 times, and this will be 2 6 2 2s are point 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are. Okay, so 62.37. I think we'll cancel it with 11. 11 5s are 55. Then 6 are 66. Yes, it will go. So 11 5 times 55, remainder 7, 73. 6 times 66, 7. Okay, 5.67 into 7. So r square is 5.67 into 7. 5.67 is not a perfect square. Am I getting something in square root? I am getting that. Okay, so देखो calculation is too lengthy. Calculation obviously is very lengthy, so you can manage it from over here. Okay, so from here you'll get r square. That value of r square you'll be getting around this. Once you get this, square root of it will be around 6.3 meters. So directly you can get the volume. You can get the volume. ठीक है बच्चों? Easy, clear है? You can see it once. Quickly by. Clear? Let's move ahead. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. That means diameter of moon is diameters of earth by 4 times. Diameter of moon can be written as twice of radius of the moon is equal to 2 times of radius of the earth by 4. So you'll get to know that radius of the moon also is 1/4 of the radius of the earth. Right? Find the ratio of their surface areas. We can find out very easily. Ratio of radius of the moon to radius of the earth is 1:4. So surface area of the moon to surface area of earth will be equal to 4 pi into radius of the moon whole square upon 4 pi into radius of the earth whole square. This to this got cancelled. There is nothing but radius of the moon upon radius of the earth whole square, which is 1/4 whole square. So it is 1/16, 1:16. Alright. Next, what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of moon? So we can say, sir, what fraction of volume of the earth? So we'll say volume of moon will be what? Right? It is 300. So 4/3 times of pi into radius of moon whole cube upon volume of earth. Find it out. Will be 4/3 times of pi into radius of earth whole cube. Got cancelled, got cancelled. So this is again radius of moon upon radius of earth whole cube, which is 1/4, so 1/64. So I can clearly say volume of moon is equal to 1/64 times of volume of earth. Right, beta? Volume of moon is 1/64th time of the volume of the earth. Okay? Clear? Simple, pretty easy. Right, pretty easy. Okay, so with this, the sphere mein calculations are there at the end, but otherwise the topic is very easy for sphere and hemisphere. Now this is your question which I am giving you for your homework. Alright, do let me know what is the answer in the comment section, and those who will give me the correct answer, they'll be our star students for the next class. Okay, bachcho, don't forget Vedantu Headfest is going on, and GPE Pro is your code to get 50% off up to ₹2,000. Alright, so this is all, bachcho, in today's class. Alright, thank you so much. These prices are actually not correct. The previous prices you have seen, now the prices have reduced. So the batches have already started. Do join it. Alright, do not wait for it. Okay, bachcho. Chalo. So thank you so much, guys, for joining the session, and I'll see you all in the next class. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.